Hey everybody, Justin Senior here. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to boost your marketing revenue with Amherst first party app for Shopify. Really powerful. This is the most accurate tracking. This is going to give you the most powerful audiences, and this is exactly how to do it the right way. Stores are missing up to 30% of their data from things like ad blockers and iOS updates, right? These things have really killed our marketing. And before this happened, we used to have much better data, much better tracking, much better results with our paid ads. And now that we've lost this 30% of data, we've lost 30% less profiles to target with our email marketing, with our meta ads, with our Facebook, Instagram, Google ads, right? Having less and worse audiences, that hurts us as Shopify store owners. And there's a solution to it. A popular strategy is to use the Amherst first party app on Shopify to capture and leverage first party data in your meta ads, your Google ads, your email marketing, and improve your overall return on investment, your ROI. You're going to make more money. Your ads are going to perform so much better. Your marketing is going to be boosted when you have the first party pixel data that you're going to be able to set up with Amherst. And if you don't use Amherst, you're going to definitely run into some pain points. First of all, there's no built-in way to do this with Shopify. The default pixels that come with your favorite ad platforms like Meta, they're not enough. You're going to lose that 30, 40, 50% of data on there. It's going to kill your audiences, kill your results. You need to have an app that's going to capture all of that and make sure that you're tracking everything possible. And the app must be super easy to use, require no prior technological skill. You don't need to be some programmer or developer and understand how to build JavaScript pixels, nothing like that. And you want to find an app, and I'm going to show you the app, that has one-click integration for your email, for your ads, to make everything as accurate and as automated as possible. And I'm going to show you the Amherst first-party app for Shopify. This is what I highly recommend. This is what I use, and you see the link directly below this video. We're going to go over this shoulder. I'm going to show you the Amherst app in the Shopify App Store. I'll bring it over right now. You see Amherst first party pixel, and this is going to allow you to boost your marketing revenue, to boost your marketing ROI, because we're going to be able to get so much more data, not just for Meta and Facebook ads. We know that this is a huge need for Facebook. This is going to solve that, provide that solution for Facebook and Instagram, but also for Google, also for Klaviyo. It's going to integrate with what you're already using. And this works because we're using Amherst's server-side tracking. It's going to allow us to capture data that's typically going to be lost for cookie loss, ad blockers, those iOS updates, which totally killed the tracking of most of our ads. And this is going to extend visitor tracking for a full year. Really powerful. You'll be able to identify return users up to 1 year. You can do this in Klaviyo as well. Of course, Facebook ads going to be boosted from here. Really great AI inside of Amherst as well. You'll be able to interact with it, and you can see all the reporting, all the stats, all the analytics that you would ever want, all coming in here accurately through Amherst. You'll finally be able to understand, okay, Google Ads is sending me X amount of customers, and Facebook is sending me X amount of orders, and here's my conversion rate, and here are my clicks, right? All accurate data. That's why you need to be using Amherst, and I'm going to be showing you over the shoulder. All you need to do to get started, you press the install button right over here. Again, you see the link directly below this video. This is a must-have. This is going to get you back all of those tracking informations that we used to have that made marketing so easy on Facebook ads, on Google ads, on Instagram ads. Amherst is going to bring that back with that first-party pixel. So all you need to do, again, press the install button. You see the link directly below this video. We're going to go over the shoulder, and I'm going to show you more now. You're looking at the Amherst dashboard, and we have the Klaviyo dashboard. We'll also go into the Meta dashboard in a second. And you know the old saying, you need to know your numbers to know your business. Right here, as soon as you log in, important numbers over here like the Amherst generated revenue, Klaviyo revenue generated right over here, right in front of you, showing some nice visuals, some graphs, secondary submit rate, lifetime estimated revenue over here, date ranges that we can change, incremental revenue driven by Amherst, and you see literally date range with and without. So you can see the uplift that we're seeing here. And the idea is that we're going to have full access to these numbers, accurate numbers. We can go back into different date ranges as well and take a look into the back end. Same thing with Meta over here. In this case, past 21 days. I'll change this over here too. And you see exactly when it was installed. See the uplift in terms of all the different information, the event counts that we're able to get here, the view contents, the actions that are going to build these audiences and let us understand our business better. It's happening literally. You see, as soon as the data was started coming through after we installed it and implemented it, it's night and day change. You can literally see the before and after right there. So really important. Now, when it comes to attribution, this is really the best part here because we need to understand what's working and attributing sales to the right place. And we know that there's a lot of different limitations with the iOS updates, with different privacy protections, but this is all about Amherst first party pixel. And we have tons of information. I'm going to go over here, change it to 30-day. Tons of different information that we're able to go over here and take a look at in the table view. And we see different channels, right? And this is all about making decisions on our business. It's really great to understand the numbers and see the numbers. It's more important to actually make decisions based off of the exact numbers that we see. And we're able to take a look at different revenue per channel. And we have our last non-direct click as our model here. That's our attribution model. You can change this and play around with that. That's typically what we like to do with, especially in a 30-day look back window, seeing where our revenue is coming from. And let's say we're running a lot of ads on Facebook and we're running a lot of ads on Google. Well, we can see which one is working a lot more. Obviously, Facebook not driving even close to the amount of orders that we're seeing over here on Google. And we could also think about, okay, where are we making our most money from? Are they direct invoice? Are they referred from places? Are they coming from email? You see email in this case, a really big part of our business. We're able to click into here, not only that, but see exactly what's working, which emails generated us the most revenue, the most sales. Kind of go through here and literally see each one ranked by revenue. Come over here with Google, we can see our different sources as well. So a lot to look at. We can come over here into the revenue chart. Really nice visual way to take a look at exactly what's going on here in terms of our revenue shares. And we see the different areas here. Of course, Google and Klaviyo taking up a huge chunk. You can even take a look at the visit chart. Where are we getting our most visits? So really insightful here, right? We're making the most money from Google and from Klaviyo, but we're getting the most traffic from Facebook. So we definitely need to reevaluate how we're marketing on Facebook and maybe direct some of the other traffic to start coming in from some of these more profitable sources. You see conversion events as well. We could drill down and start to look at people who add to cart, see if there's kind of a drop off in between networks. If we're seeing a huge amount of add to carts on one, we see a lot of them on Facebook, but not a lot of conversion. So we could take a look again at our Facebook traffic, and it's all about understanding and identifying this information. And there's a lot of it. Over here on the attribution side, we could take a look at users, see return user chart, see new users, right? Who's coming back. All this great information allows us, like I said, to make those data-driven decisions and for us to trust that this information is accurate. So that was the Amherst first-party pixel app. As you saw, super, super easy to use and incredibly powerful. I mean, just an infinite amount more data than you would typically see in your basic Facebook ads report or your Google ads report. Better audiences, better ad results, right? Your marketing is going to be boosted when you use Amherst. You're going to see that higher return on investment. I highly recommend it. You see the link directly below this video. Get Amherst in your store, get it all set up, and start to grow that massive business that you've been dreaming of. I really hope this helps you make some money, and I'll talk to you real soon. Thanks.